I'll guide you through the new ways to split a bill on Venmo, from dividing a past dinner check to managing ongoing group expenses with the new settle up logic. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To begin, open your Venmo app and tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner to view your personal transaction history. Select the past transaction you've already paid for, then tap the Split button directly under the payment details. Choose your friends from the contact list, adding up to 30 people if you're splitting a large group event or a travel booking. Enter the total amount and choose between an even split or custom amounts, which allows you to adjust what people owe based on exactly what they ordered. If you want to initiate a split before you've actually paid the merchant, tap the Pay/Request button on the home screen, which allows your friends to send you the funds up front. Create a Venmo group from the Me tab for ongoing costs like roommates, vacations, or long weekends to track every expense in one shared dashboard. Add expenses to your group as they happen. Venmo's settle up logic will automatically calculate who owes what to minimize the total number of transfers needed. To split large credit card purchases without using your Venmo balance or paying standard credit card fees, use the Amex Send and Split feature within the app. Add a social note and emojis to your request to keep the transaction friendly and clear. Then tap Request to send the notifications instantly. Transfer your collected funds to your bank account using Instant Transfer for a small fee, or choose the 1 to 3 day transfer for free. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.